Hey all, this is Nizara. Welcome once again to my channel. Today I have brought before you a wonderful video which I have uploaded in Assamese few days back. So those who want to watch this video in Assamese, the link is given in the description box. You can go and check it there. So before starting the video, I hope you all are fine. So let's start today's session. Wish you all a happy listening. My today's topic is the four wheels of our life and importance of balance and spirituality in the journey of our life. So can you guess which are the four wheels of our life? To know it, just watch the video till the end. Just as a car balances on four wheels, we do have four crucial areas in our life and we must balance those areas in our lives. Let me tell you these areas. These areas are our personal life, our relationships, our work life, and last but not the least, our social contribution. Sometimes it happens that we need to adjust the alignment of the wheels of our car. Even if one wheel is not in proper alignment, no doubt the car will run, but not properly, or the longevity or the performance of the wheels of the car will deteriorate. So similarly, in the same way, we need to adjust the four wheels of our lives, that is the four crucial areas of our lives, based on the need of the moment. Let me explain you with an example. Sometimes it happens that our work life may need more focus than our personal life because there may be some targets to achieve in our workplace. Similarly, sometimes our personal life may take precedence over everything else. Will you ever ask a couple organizing their wedding to spend more time at workplace? Obviously no, because they are preparing for one of the most important days of their lives. I have heard people complaining about their lives, that life is not going in the way they want. People say that they are unable to manage their time for their relationships or towards their society due to their hectic schedule in their work life or in their personal life. The most important thing that we forget, that we ignore, is that these four areas are equally important. So dear friends, we must be willing to adjust our priorities based on the need of the moment and bring that wheel into alignment which is out of it. Till now, I have explained the balance on an external level. Now, what are the aspects that balance us internally? These are our attitudes and ethics. This attitude is like the air in the tire of the cars. If the tires don't get the correct pressure of air, there may be a puncture stopping us from reaching our destination. So the external aspects of balance are adjustment and alignment, whereas the internal ones are our attitudes and ethics. Now, as we balance ourselves externally and internally, it is very essential to our success that we never let go of the steering wheel. Even if the wheels of the car are in proper alignment, if the tires of the car is in correct pressure, they're getting the perfect air pressure, but if we don't have the steering wheel in our hands, still we will not be able to reach where we want to go. Now, what is the steering wheel of our life? It's spirituality. As Gautam Buddha said, just as a candle cannot burn without fire, we cannot live without a spiritual life. At some points of our life, we may feel like empty, or we may feel lost, or we may feel that we don't know where life is taking us. It is in those times we need to hold the steering wheel of spirituality tightly and press on. Spirituality brings purpose to our life and gives us a destination worth going to. And this steering wheel of spirituality is made up of 4 beautiful components. And those components are our spiritual practice, that is our sadhana. After that, the company we keep, that is our sangha. Then our character, that is our sadachar. And last but not the least, our service to God and to others, that is our seva. And if these aspects of the steering wheel are adhered to properly, they give us the ability to drive the car of our life towards our destination, towards our goal. So let us balance the 4 crucial areas of our life ethically and with a positive attitude, and indulge ourselves in the fragrance of spirituality and live a successful and peaceful life. I hope this video will shower happiness, contentment and prosperity to each and everyone's life. So share this video with your loved one, with your near and dear ones. Because sometimes what happens, your life may be going in the very best way, but your loved one may be facing certain challenges in their lives. So I can assure that this video will help such type of people immensely to gain balance in their life. So looking forward to your feedback and comments. Do like the video, and those who are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe the channel if you find worth it. You can also follow my Facebook and Instagram pages by the name Be Inspired by Nizara. Even if you don't do this, thank you very much for watching the video. Please take care of yourself and those around you. See you soon. Till then, bye-bye.